Welcome to Cooking with Bender. My name is Shane, and this is Bender. Today we're going to be making some soy brown sugar glazed salmon. So for this you're going to need some salmon, garlic, soy sauce, brown sugar, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Before you begin, you want to set out your salmon for about 15 to 20 minutes to let it get closer to room temperature. Once that's done, you just add salt and pepper to the fish itself and set it aside. Alright, now we're going to start on the glaze. You want to start off with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And now you want to add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And it looks like I'm a little short, so it's about 1/5. But it'll work. After that, you want to add in a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And now you want to crush a clove of garlic and add that to your mixture. Alright, now you want to mix it up real good. And this is starting to be a little bit thicker than normal, but it still should be good. Now I'm going to add just a little bit more dash of salt and pepper, and then it should be good. One quick mix. Now you want to start preheating your oven to 350, and you want 1 sheet of aluminum foil for every piece of fish that you're about to cook. Alright, now you want to fold up the sides of the foil to kind of turn it into half boat. This will help keep your glaze in once you start spreading it. Now that you have all 3 fish boats made, you want to start spreading the sauce across all 3 of them pretty evenly. Like I said, this is way thicker than usual, but it looks amazing and smells awesome. Now that we're all sauced up, you want to start folding the fish up inside the aluminum foil. And this will help it kind of keep the heat in as you're cooking it on phase 1. And if for some reason you don't have enough for 1 fish, just add another layer. And then you want to throw it in the oven for about 20 minutes at 350. And time to spend some time with Bender. So it's been 20 minutes and the fish is smelling really good. You want to start unwrapping the fish and then turn on the broiler. Alright, now you want to baste in the juices and throw it back in the broiler for about 3 or 4 minutes. And now we're done. So now all we're going to do is serve it. Oh my god, this smells so good. This is an easy and tasty dish to make, and it's about $8.15 serving. If there's a dish you'd like me to try out, feel free to post below and I will see what I can do. Later.